Security awareness training is one thing. Letting your team practice recognizing phishing in a safe environment, where a click has no consequences, is something else entirely. Phishing simulations are one of the most effective ways to reduce phishing susceptibility in your organization. And there are free tools that make this accessible to any small business. In this video, I'll show you how to run your first phishing simulation in under 2 hours. I'm Yuri Zhurov, cybersecurity consultant and founder of SMB Cybersecurity Advisors. Let's get started. A phishing simulation sends a realistic but harmless fake phishing email to your employees. If an employee clicks the link, they see an educational page explaining that it was a simulation and what they should have noticed. The simulation captures metrics: who clicked, who reported it, who ignored it. These metrics tell you exactly where your team's vulnerabilities are, without waiting for a real attack to find out. Research shows that organizations that run regular phishing simulations reduce click rates by up to 70% over 12 months. 3 free tools for running phishing simulations. Tool 1. GoPhish. Open source, free, self-hosted, the most flexible option. You deploy it on a low-cost cloud server and run fully customized simulations. Best for businesses with some technical capability. Tool 2. Google Phishing Quiz at phishingquiz.withgoogle.com. Not a simulation, but an interactive test that teaches employees to identify phishing. Excellent for team training sessions. No setup required. Tool 3. KnowB4 free tools. KnowB4 offers a free phishing test you can send to up to 100 email addresses, plus their Phish Alert button for Outlook and Gmail. Before you run a simulation, prepare your team. Do not run a surprise simulation without any prior security awareness training. The goal is learning, not catching people out. Tell your team in advance that a phishing simulation will be sent at some point in the next 2 weeks. But don't tell them when or what it will look like. This is the right balance. People know phishing is a real threat they need to watch for, but they can't simply wait for a specific email. Brief your manager or HR contact so they can support employees who feel anxious about the exercise. How to design an effective simulation email. Choose a realistic scenario relevant to your business, an invoice from a vendor you actually use, a DocuSign request for a document, an IT password reset notification, a delivery notification from a shipping company. Use a domain that looks almost right but isn't, vendor-invoices.net instead of vendor.com. Include 1 or 2 of the red flags from video 4, but make them subtle, not obvious. The goal is a realistic simulation that your team might genuinely miss, not a test designed for everyone to pass. Run the simulation and capture results. With GoPhish, you'll see in real time who opened the email, who clicked the link, who submitted data on the fake landing page, and who reported the email as suspicious. With KnowB4 free tool, you get a summary report after the simulation window closes. Record the results: click rate, report rate, submission rate. These are your baseline metrics. Your goal over the next 12 months is to reduce click rate and increase report rate with each successive simulation. After the simulation, debrief, don't shame. Send an all-team email acknowledging the simulation had concluded. Share the results without naming individuals. Focus on what the red flags were and why they were easy to miss. Use the results to identify which employees need additional one-on-one training. If your click rate was above 20%, run a follow-up simulation within 4 weeks. If it was below 10%, your team is doing well. Run the next simulation in 3 months. Never use simulation results for performance reviews or disciplinary action. This destroys trust and makes people less likely to report real incidents. Your phishing simulation program, a 12-month calendar. Month 1, baseline simulation, no prior warning except general phishing awareness. Month 3, follow-up simulation based on results of month 1. Month 6, advanced scenario. Try a spear phishing email using information from LinkedIn. Month 9, voice phishing scenario, a call claiming to be from IT support. Month 12, annual review. Compare all 4 simulations, measure improvement, plan for next year. Running 4 simulations per year is the minimum recommended by security frameworks, including NIST and CISA. Chapter 6 of the Owner's Handbook covers team training without making it boring, including the phishing simulation setup guide and a ready-to-use debrief email template. Download free at smbsecurityadvisors.com/framework. Subscribe for a new video every week, all free. That's the end of Series 3. In Series 4, we're covering the business owner decisions that most cybersecurity channels never address: vendor proposals, cyber insurance, and how to maintain your security posture in 15 minutes a week. See you there.